taking out a branch here directly over the garage. Good sized branch, and we don't want it to fall on the garage, so we have a rope in it to rope it down, and we have a control rope that's going to allow us to actually pull it, keep it away from the roof as much as possible, and pull it out toward the actual driveway here. This is a controlled way to take it down without worrying about actually touching the house. Taking two branches at one time here. Same method. Roping it down. Two ropes on it. One safety line attached to the tree. One control line in the hands of John.